Mastering First Things First, a guide to prioritizing in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, first things first. This expression is a key part of conversational and formal English, and understanding it will not only enhance your comprehension but also your ability to prioritize your thoughts and tasks when communicating. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. First things first is an idiomatic expression that emphasizes the importance of prioritizing the most important tasks or addressing the most immediate concerns before proceeding to less critical issues. It's like saying, let's do things in the right order, ensuring that priority is given to what is most crucial or needs immediate attention. The phrase, first things first, has been in use for centuries, and it reflects a universal principle of prioritization and organization. It reminds us to focus on what's important at the moment and to tackle tasks or problems in a logical sequence. This wisdom is not just practical for daily activities but is also a cornerstone in time management and planning strategies. Using first things first in conversation or writing is straightforward. It's often used at the beginning of a statement or discussion to draw attention to the prioritization of tasks or ideas. Here are a few examples. In a meeting, first things first, let's address the budget before we move on to the next agenda item. Planning a project, first things first, we need to finalize the design before we think about the launch date. Personal planning, first things first, I need to finish my homework before I can go out this weekend. Embracing the principle of first things first can significantly improve your efficiency and effectiveness in both personal and professional settings. It helps in prioritizing tasks, ensuring that the most important tasks are completed first. Time management, allocating your time to what's most urgent and important. Clarity in communication, making your intentions and plans clear to others. Understanding and using the phrase, first things first, is more than learning English. It's about mastering the art of prioritization and clear communication. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this expression effectively in your daily life and conversations. Remember, mastering a language is not just about vocabulary or grammar. It's also about grasping the cultural and practical nuances that make communication effective. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.